Bridging the Gap. Boost your confidence by unleashing the power of belief. Narrated by John Hawkes. Introduction. Hello and welcome to our short beginner's guide on boosting your confidence by unleashing the power of belief. To believe is to achieve. How many times have you heard that saying? While it may make sense intellectually to most people, living out this saying is another thing altogether. You know it and I know it. There are many things we know should work in our lives, but in reality they don't. They don't even stand a prayer. Belief powers successful action. This is the reality. We can say to ourselves that believing to achieve is possible for others, but not possible for us. We still have to confront this reality. If you look at any successful person, from multimillionaires to billionaires, to captains of industry, to political powerhouses, it should be easy to see how the beliefs propel their action. Let me say it again. Belief powers successful action. The most successful people in the world have amazing powers of belief. They can be like Oprah Winfrey, who came from absolutely nowhere and became a female billionaire in the United States. She did not have family connections. She did not go to the right schools. There was no army of people looking to promote her when she began her career. Through sheer force of will and unstoppable belief, she became a billionaire. Considering all the factors working against her, black, female, a rape victim, a survivor of emotional abuse, a survivor of several rejections, she still made it. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus said, "Circumstances do not make the man, they merely reveal him to himself." When you believe, you have a tremendous power core located deep within you. It doesn't matter what's going on outside of you. It doesn't matter how many people point at you and laugh at you and call you crazy. It doesn't matter how many people have it in for you to block your every step. It doesn't matter what your feelings are. Regardless of how much access you have to resources, it really doesn't matter. What matters is that you have this store of power locked within you that you can access at any time. This is the secret most successful people have. They are able to tap into the amazing powers of belief. They believe in themselves, their cause, their projects so much that their belief translates to action. Even better, when they meet obstacles and setbacks like everyone else, it doesn't faze them because they believe in what they are doing and what they are trying to accomplish. Their power of belief is so strong that it produces an infectious confidence that people around them simply can't ignore or fight off. Have you ever noticed that successful people tend to reach the highest levels of power and financial wealth because they are able to inspire people around them? That's how unstoppable their confidence is. It's not just for them. They don't just lock it away or keep it to themselves. Instead, it spreads far from the initial circle of influence. Indeed, successful leaders like Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, and others are able to do massive things in life because they inspire others around them to share their belief and be empowered by the confidence this belief produces. The good news? If they can do it, you can too. This book steps you through the following process. Identify your beliefs, highlight positive and empowering beliefs, reform and eliminate limiting beliefs, live out your belief, create positive confidence feedback loops, and infect others with your sense of possibility and positivity. Are you ready to begin? Let's dive in.